Hello everyone, I am Nelson Martinez, a Senior Specialist Solutions Architect in Amazon Connect based here in Seattle. Today, I'm excited to announce that Amazon Connect now offers new chat performance metrics that enable contact center leaders to better understand and optimize their chat operations. Customers now have access to 26 detailed chat metrics at the individual contact level, part of the contact records, plus 11 derived metrics that can be viewed in Connect dashboards. These powerful metrics help contact center managers to analyze trends, create custom dashboards, and effectively monitor chat interactions with their customers. Details about these metrics can be found in the two QR codes or the links in the description. In this video, we will review the step-by-step process to create a custom dashboard in the Amazon Connect console using these new chat metrics. This dashboard will help businesses compare average agent response times against chat volume to identify how delays impact customer experience, or analyze conversations and message patterns to identify opportunities for streamlining the chat interactions or reducing unnecessary back and forth exchanges. Let's start by reviewing which chat metrics we are going to use for the custom chat dashboard. These metrics are split in 4 different scopes. Metrics related to the chat contact, to the customer, to the agent, and the bot. Let's review them. Average message is the result of dividing all the chat messages by the number of chat contacts. Average contact first response wait time is the average time in seconds elapsed from when the chat session enqueued to the first agent reply to the customer. Conversations abandoned measures the count of contacts where no messages were sent by either agent or customer or both. Now let's see the customer scope. Average customer messages is the average number of messages sent by customers in a contact. Average customer message length is the average length in characters of messages sent by customers. Average customer response time is the time in seconds of an agent's first message in a turn until the customer responds, even if the agent responds or sends multiple messages before receiving a customer reply. Agent scope. We have agent average messages is the average number of messages sent by the agent across contacts. Average agent message length is the average length in characters of messages sent by the agents. Agent average first response time is the average time in seconds taken by agents to respond after obtaining a chat contact. And average agent response time is the average time in seconds taken by agents to respond to customer messages. And the last scope is bot. That has the metric called average bot messages and is the average number of messages sent by bots across contacts. Now let's log in the Amazon Connect console to walk through the process. Here in the left hand menu, select Analytics and Optimization, then Dashboards and Reports. Here we can find all of the out-of-the-box dashboards that are available with Amazon Connect. In our case, we are going to create a custom dashboard, then create custom here in the bottom. Here we have all the different options. We have the add widgets and we have some actions here in the right. We're going to add widget. The plan is we're going to have 4 widgets, and those 4 widgets are going to cover the 11 metrics that we just reviewed before, and we are going to add a comparison metrics in 2 of the widgets. Then let's start with the first widget. Then the first one will be a contact widget. Then we are going to select the contact performance summary. Okay, now let's add some metrics to the widget. Then here in the right we select these three dots and click edit. Then here we are going to be able to change the metrics and to update the name of the specific widget as well. Then in this case, let's call the widget let's go to performance summary. We're going to change it. We go to chat performance summary.
The first metric of this widget is contacts handled. I will leave it as it is, and then I will add a filter to display only chat contacts in the dashboard. Okay, next, we are going to replace average handle time for average message per chat. Then that is average message per chat.
That is this one. Then the next one is average queue answer time. Then that is equivalent to the average contact first response wait time. That's equivalent for the chat metric. The number 4 is contact transferring. Maybe we don't have something similar, but we can use conversations abandoned. Then that will be equivalent to that. Then let's add a couple of two metrics. The number 5 it will be average customer messages. Average customer messages. And the last one
that we are going to add to the widget is average customer message length. Yes, this one here. Now let's save the widget.
Okay, now we have our first widget. Then let's filter the channel to only get chats. Then in this case, this contacts handle, it will be only for chats. It was chats anyway. Then let's add another widget, our second widget. Then click here in the top right corner, add widget, and let's use the agent performance summary. Then this one is here in the bottom. Then as we did before, click these three dots, and we are going to add the remaining metrics. Here we have really 5 from chat. This one is like a standard metric. Then we are going to add 6 in this one. Then the first one will be, let's change the title as well. Then the first one will be average customer response time. That is the one that we didn't include. The next one will be average agent messages. This one here. Then a average agent message length. Number 4, a average agent first response time. Let's add 2 more. A average agent response time. And the last one will be average bot messages. Then okay, then save that one. Okay, then this is our second widget. Then no need to filter here because really all these metrics are chat. Then there's no need to filter the channels. Then we can see all the different values and the how it has been trailing or changing in for the last 15 minutes. The last two widgets will be time series charts. One of them will display the charts handle and the average agent response time over a given period of time. And the second one will be the average message per chat, average customer messages, and average contact duration. Then, okay, let's add the first series chat widget. Then again, go back here to add widget. Then let's select contact. And we are going to select contact handle and average handle time trend. Then this one will give me this type of graph that have these two metrics. We are going to leave the contacts handle, and instead of the average handle time, we are going to replace it with a chat metric that it will be average agent response time. Then in this case, let's replace, instead of contact, let's replace with chat, handle and average. Instead of a response time, handle time will be agent response time. Then this is comparing the amount of contacts that were handled and how long basically the agent it took to respond. In the filter, same. Because we have contacts handled, then let's filter chats to be sure that the contacts are only chats. And the last widget that we're going to add, again, go back to the top, select add widget, and in this case, select a contacts again, and then select a contacts handler and average handle time. Now let's put the two widgets side by side. Then here again, we're going to update these three metrics. They have two, we're going to put three. Then the first one will be the average messages. Next one will be average customer messages. And the last one will be average contact duration. And here in the title, let's change the title as well. Average chat messages versus contact duration. Okay, now in this, basically we can see the three different metrics in the chat. Okay, then let's save now, and in the save we're going to call it chat custom dashboard. Okay, that is, our dashboard was successfully saved and includes all the different chat metrics available. And there you have it. We have created a comprehensive chat dashboard that provides valuable insights into your contact center chat operations. This custom dashboard combines key performance metrics that help business users to monitor chat volume and agent response patterns, track customer engagements through message counts and response times, identify potential bottlenecks in chat handling, analyze trends in chat duration and message patterns. Business leaders can use these insights to make data-driven decisions, optimize agent staffing, improve response times, and ultimately enhance the customer experience. Remember, you can always modify these widgets or create additional dashboards to meet your specific business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you better understand and optimize your Amazon Connect chat operations.